Hello friends, welcome to our channel. It's me Vivek from Take 101. Today I am going to tell you about how to make a simple HTML document by using Notepad. So without any delay, let's start our video. First of all, open Notepad. In Notepad you have to type some tags. Let me tell you about some basic HTML tags. The basic HTML tags are head, HTML head, title, body, and etc. These are the basic HTML tags which should be used in order to make us a simple HTML document. So let me explain more about it by typing here. The HTML tags tells the browser about this is a HTML document. And type head tag and then title. You can type any title. I'm going to write my first HTML document. You need to close any HTML tag by slash tag enclosed within an angular bracket. As you can see in the screen, I'm closing title tag with slash title enclosed within angular bracket. After this, you have to close head tag. The title tag should be written inside the head tag. After this, the body part of our document starts, and I'm going to make the background color of our document red. So in order to make the background of HTML document red, you have to type bg color is equal to red, and the word red should be enclosed within a inverted comma, double inverted comma, as you can see in the screen. After this, you have to close the body tag and HTML tag too. Let me enter some text in body part. Go to body part of our document and type some text that is appear on the body part of your HTML document. I'm going to write welcome to Take 101. You can type anything that you want. Welcome to Take 101. After this, you have to save this file in .htm or .html extension. You can give any name. I'm going to write vivek.htm. You can give it any name, but the file extension should be .htm or .html. So after this, click on save. And let me open this document. As you can see in this screen, the background color of our HTML document is red, and the color of text is black, which is default. In next video, I will tell you about how to change this color and about my Q tag. So it's easy and simple. So if you like this video, give us a thumbs up. uh, if you have any problems while following the steps shown here, please don't hesitate to comment below, and don't forget to share our video and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.